welcome to Mickey's e-learning school, where you learn, listen, speak, read and write. Hey kids, I am your teacher. Today we will learn about animals and birds. Now I am going to tell you about their behavior and living pattern. So without any delay, let's begin. First of all, we will learn about animals. Cat. This is a cat. C for cat. Many people keep cat as a pet. Cat kills and eat rats. Dog. This is a dog. D for dog. Dog is our best friend. Dog protects our house. Cow. This is a cow. C for cow. Cow gives us milk. Kids, we should drink milk every day. Goat. This is a goat. G for goat. We get milk and meat from goat. Elephant. This is an elephant. E for elephant. Elephant is the largest living animal on land. It has a long trunk. Elephant likes to eat sugarcane. Monkey. This is a monkey. M for monkey. Monkeys eat fruits and leaves. Monkeys are very naughty. They live on a tree with their family. Horse. This is a horse. H for horse. Horses run very fast. And you know kids, in olden days horses were the only mode of transport. Sheep. This is a sheep. S for sheep. We get milk and wool from the sheep. This is a pig. P for pig. Donkey. This is a donkey. D for donkey. Donkeys help us by carrying a lot of load on their back. Rabbit. This is a rabbit. R for rabbit. A rabbit is a very beautiful animal and it runs very fast. A rabbit eats carrot and grass. Giraffe. This is a giraffe. G for giraffe. Giraffe had a long neck. And you know friends, giraffe is the tallest animal. Hippopotamus. This is a hippopotamus. H for hippopotamus. It is also called as hippo. A hippo spends most of his time inside the water. Zebra. This is a zebra. Z for zebra. It is a member of horse family and you know kids, a zebra has black and white strips all over his body. Camel. This is a camel. C for camel. A camel is called as sheep of the desert. Next we will learn about birds. Pigeon. This is a pigeon. P for pigeon. A pigeon is grey in color. A pigeon eats grains. Parrot. This is a parrot. P for parrot. A parrot is green in color. A parrot eats chilies. Peacock. This is a peacock. P for peacock. A peacock looks very beautiful. A peacock is national bird of India. Duck. This is a duck. D for duck. A duck lives in water. Duck eats fish and frogs. Crane. This is a crane. C for crane. Crane eats fish and frog. Eagle. E for eagle. This is an eagle. An eagle can fly very high in the sky. Eagle eats snack and rabbits. Owl. O for owl. This is an owl. An owl comes out of his nest only the night. It eats rags and other small creatures. Kingfisher. K for kingfisher. This is a kingfisher. It is blue and orange in color. It eats fish. Crow. This is a crow. C for crow. It is black in color. A crow eats flesh of other animals and birds. Sparrow. This is a sparrow. S for sparrow. Its voice is very cute. Friends, now I will show you some pictures on the screen and you should give me an answer. It's black in color. Come on. Tell which bird is this? Right. Crow. This is a crow. Now, who will tell me this bird is blue and orange in color? Right. It's a kingfisher. Oh, and this bird? Come on. I have shown you the picture. Right. An owl. Which is this bird? Who will tell me? Right. Pigeon. Wow. This bird can fly very high in the sky. Give me the answer. Right. Eagle. Oh, this bird eats chilies. Tell me fast. Right. It's a parrot. Which is this bird? It lives in water. Tell me fast. Right. It's a duck. This is National Bird of India. Who will give me an answer? Tell me. Right. It's a peacock. Oh, it spends most of his times inside the water. It came on land to eat grass. Tell me fast. Right. It's a hippo. Which animal is this? Right. Donkey. It gives us milk and wool. Which animal is this? Right. It's a sheep. Our focus on watch, listen, speak, read and write. Kids, if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel.